Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today is in Fatma's Cooking and Life. We are just going to make healthy and creamy green chili curry. जी friends, let's start. So friend, यहाँ पर मेरे पास है हाफ कप के बराबर sesame seeds and 2 tablespoons of peanuts. Just dry roast and not roast it at a high flame in order to maintain its original color. And just after roast, grind it. So friends, here I have taken 2 medium size of onion sliced and I am going to fry it in 4 tablespoons of oil. Just make golden brown it. Green chili has lot of vitamin C in it and it's very good for your skin. Viewers, cut stems of green chili. Look how pretty it's looking and how cute it's looking. Now cut the stems of green chili. Here onions are golden frying. While cut stems of green chili and add garlic paste in the onions with tomato slices and just fry it at a low flame. Just make paste it. Put the flame slow so all things are not burned. You can add 4 tablespoons of water in it not to burn this. Now it's going to be done. Gradually add green chili in this and mix with this batter so all batter would stick with this green chili. It's very healthy in your lunch, in your dinner or even your breakfast. You can take in your office lunch as in school lunch also. Friend, now I am adding coriander powder and turmeric powder in this. So I am mixing it with all the batter. It's making this very spicy because green chilies, this type of green chili are not very spicy. So I am adding different sorts of ingredients that makes it tasty and spicy. Just mix it at low flame. Here I am adding curry leaves in this. It will give very sweet smell. Now mix curry leaves in this batter at a low flame. Friend, it's time to adding yogurt in this. I am adding 4 tablespoons of yogurt, but gently add. I am not adding at a one time. Gradually I am adding yogurt and mixing it with this batter. Now add sesame seed and peanut grinded. Only this powder add and just mix it at a low flame. You can add 2 or 3 tablespoons of water in this batter. Due to water, it will not stick with the pan. Here I am adding dry mango powder, chaat masala in this and mixing it very well. Both ingredients, chaat masala and dry mango powder, amazing in this batter. Now friend, I am adding 2 tablespoons of fresh cream. Fresh cream will change this batter in very creamy texture and you will find different taste due to the fresh cream. Remove excess amount of batter that little bit stick on the pan. I am adding little bit of coriander chopped leaves. It's optional, it's on your choice. Just put it at very low flame to cook all the ingredients combined with each other. Now I am adding garam masala, all spice masala with it. Here I am adding black salt in this, and here I am adding 5 tablespoons of tamarind paste. You can add more if you like more tamarind in your batter. Mix it gently, but there should be noticed that flame should be low at this time. Healthy green chili curry is ready, and you are feeling there is something boiling. It means it's completely done. And I have added generous amount of white salt in this. If you like my recipe, so share this, like this, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. I will log in next vlog. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.